Today I share with you how to prepare fruit salad from scratch in professional way. Hello sweetie, welcome back. To begin, I will be introducing the fruit that I'm using on this recipe, and at the same time I'm going to be leaving the names of the fruit in the screen. Don't forget to get yours and take note of the names of the fruit I'm using. So after introducing all the fruit that I'm using, I still introduce the milk I'm going to use. All I do, I will add in water inside the bowl, then wash the fruit very well. Before that, I will be adding this vinegar that is from fruit vinegar. I will use it to wash the fruit. This step is very important before you make use of your fruit, especially when you just buy them from the market. First of all, try to wash your fruit with salt or vinegar. Any of it is useful to get your fruit washed. So after washing all the fruit, all I do now is to take the pineapple, then divide it into two. This time around, you don't have to first of all peel your pineapple before you can make use of it. All you have to do is to just divide it into two like this. After dividing it, just take it and cut it in a little variable side that you are going to use, and then you just cut out the back of the pineapple just like this. Is going to be simple and easy for you. Just like this, I'm done for the pineapple. I keep it aside. Next is for me to prepare the melon fruit. All I do is to divide that into two like this, then take my spoon and get rid of the seed. So guys, you don't need the seed, so you have to get rid of it. And if you cut it like this, it's going to enable you to just get rid of the seed easy like that. So all I do is to just divide that little bitable size, then just get rid of the skin because it's not useful, and cut the fruit just bitable size, and it's ready like this. So that is it. I will keep this aside. It looking so nice already. So what I do next is to take cucumber. So this is the cucumber. I'm using only one of it. Just divide that in a bitable side, then use my knife to still divide it into three equal sides like this. Just like that, I'm done with the cucumber. So I'll just keep on the process and I have it like this, just nice. So keep that aside. Next I'll be taking is the mango. So over here I'm making use of mango. I just divide that into two. So just like this, I will just bring out the fruit. So you don't need the back of the mango, all you need is the fruit. Then bring out the fruit and add it together with the rest of the fruit, and it's ready like this. So yeah, I keep that aside. So next we have apple. I'll just divide the apple into two. Then I did not get rid of the skin, it's useful at this point. So I'll just divide that again, then cut that into bitable size like this, and then add it together with the rest of the fruit like this. Look at that, it looks so beautiful. So what I add next is pear. I will just divide the pear into two like this. So you can easily get all these fruits in any available supermarket around your street. This is also helpful and healthy fruit everyone need to try. So after doing that, next I will be taking is the carrots. Then get rid of the skin, then chop it like this in bitable size, add it together with the fruit, then taking the kiwis, then I divide that into two like this. So I'm still going to get rid of the skin just like this. So you see how I'm getting rid of the skin of this fruit, just easy and simple. This time around you don't need to stress yourself because you want to make your fruit. At this point I'm done with all the fruit. I'll just transfer that inside a bigger pot because I don't have a bigger plate that will contain that. So I'll add in lemon. So this is the lemon. I divide that into two and get the juice out. So after adding the juice of the lemon, what I add next is this milk. So this is strawberry milk. So this milk is so delicious and healthy. So all I do now is to turn the milk and mix everything together. At this point guys, your vegetable is ready, your fruit is ready, and enjoy every bit of this fruit. It was giving everything giveable guys, so nice. So this is what you need. Not every time you eat food, not every time you cook food, once in a while you can get this done for yourself. It's going to go a long way in your system. So guys, all you have to do is to share for other people to see. I love you. Follow this process. In my next one, get yours done. Bye.